Ang question.
Kasi we lived together first before we got married for like about 3 years siguro. And then I got pregnant. And then I lost the baby.
Ay, una?
I lost the baby. And, first time ko sinabi yan sa TV, hindi ko
Alam
pa
ko
yan
si Nate
sinasabi.
agad,
Hindi ko pa yan nasasabi sa TV.
Mga ilang ano na yan?
2 months
2
siguro
months pa
siya.
lang.
I lost the baby. And medyo I got crazy.
Depressed ka?
No, the thing was, hindi ako nag-mourn. Hindi ko na-mourn yung pagkawala ng baby.
Oo.
Kasi at the beginning, I thought I didn't want, parang happy na ako na, kasi akala ko hindi na ako magkakaanak eh. So, I was happy with that. So, I didn't, kasi I was busy, I was very thin and I liked being thin. Alam mo yun? So, parang I thought I didn't want to have a baby. But when I finally lost it, parang naano ko na, teka lang, gusto ko pala yun.
Okay.
So, hindi ako nakapag-mourn. Kasi during that time, nagsushoot ako ng Darna. Yung kontrabida ako, si Electra ako. Buntis ako noon, but kalahati
Walang
nun,
nakakaalam nun?
Walang may alam. Walang may alam. Tapos kalahati noon na laglag yung baby. So, kaagad, 1 week nagpahinga ako. Bumalik ako alagad sa trabaho. Tapos, right after ng Darna, nagsimula na yung Diva, yung another soap that I did.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari pag ilabas na namin to eh. Pero tama ka. Kailangan subukan ko. Para sa'yo, kay Inay, kay Smith.
Parang medyo weird ako. I didn't even realize. I was depressed pala. For like a whole year, I think. I got depressed.
Okay.
So, ayun. And then, finally, nung nakuha na ng asawa ko yung kanyang annulment, we decided to get married. Ako yung parang ayokong mag-asawa. Ang weird. Basta parang medyo weird ako ng mga panahon na yun. I think I was really depressed. And then, finally, when we got married na, hindi kami makapagkasal sa church, sa simbahan kasi hindi pa siya annulled sa church. So we can only do a ceremony, parang Christian wedding. So, syempre, hindi ka naman papayagan ng mag-Christian wedding ng basta-basta, no? So, kailangan namin mag-attend ng mga seminars.
Okay.
And then we met this pastor. His name was Bernard Marquez. During nung time na yon, galit na galit ako kay God.
Dahil?
Yun yung kwento. Kasi nga I lost a baby. Hindi ko siya kinakausap. Parang, I didn't like him. I didn't like God. Alam ko na may God, pero inaaway ko siya. Inaaway ko siya. Alam kong nandyan lang siya, pero hindi ko siya, inaaway ko siya. Parang I stopped communicating with him. I stopped praying. I stopped
Sinisi mo
everything.
siya doon sa pagkawalan, babe?
Hindi naman, but I don't know why I had that reaction.
Okay.
Maybe because I was depressed. So, during that time, we met this pastor. Sinabi ko na, lumabas lang sa bibig ko na, actually, hindi ko siya masyadong type nowadays. Parang ganun ko. Hindi ko siya masyadong type. Basta ganun. Tapos, hindi ko naman alam kung bakit. Basta ganun lang yung pagkasabi. So, nag-seminar kami with the pastor until we finally got married. Ganun pa rin, wala pa rin akong anything with God. Tapos, I got pregnant.
Ito na si Nate.
Oo, right. Siguro I got pregnant mga February. Mga February. So, we've been married now for a couple of months. Nagulat ako na yung pastor na yon bumabalik sa amin. Tapos na kami mag-asawa, magkasal. Binabalikan kami. Parang, just wanted to catch up. Tanatanong, how are you guys? Parang I've never...
Ngangumusta?
I've never heard of that, na parang kakamustahin yung marriage nyo. Parang hindi ko yata narinig yan kahit kanino. So parang na-touch ako. So sabi ng asawa ko, alika mag-small group tayo. So that's how it started.